Hello? Yeah, dialogue in listening. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, yeah. Because the audio it doesn't move. Oke, sekarang udah move. Oke, kita masuk ke bagian dialog ya, teman-teman. Nah, di sini as you can see, we have dialogue with sound confusion. Oke, jadi ada beberapa sound ya yang maybe there are confusing about the sound or the intonation ya. And then we have here okay, it's on kilobyte-nya no data. I don't know what it is, so it doesn't matter, just continue on. Okay, we have here a couple of examples. Yeah, some of the item in part A involve a confusion between words that have similar sound. Here's how they work. Ya, jadi kalau kita dengar dialog, ya kadang ada beberapa kata yang hampir sama, ya bunyinya, tapi artinya beda, ya. So one of the speaker uses a word or phrase that sounds like a word or phrase in one or more of the answer choice. If you don't hear the word clearly, you might incorrectly choose an option with a sound alike words or phrase. Ya, jadi kita di sini di kelas TOEFL ya, selamat datang. Udah jam 17 ya, atau jam 5. Oke, kita masuk ke kelas TOEFL ya, with your lecture Mr. Danang. Oke, sekarang di sini ada a couple of example exercise of question. You will hear, I have never had this type of fruit before. I don't even know what to do with it. Okay, you just have to peel it and eat it. What does the woman mean? Oh ya, kemarin sampai sini ya. So she doesn't feel like eating fruit. The man should take the peel before eating, and then the fruit shouldn't be eaten until it is being peeled. And then D, she isn't familiar with this type of fruit either. Okay, so here we have an explanation. The word peel, yeah, in choice A, okay, sorry, feel, yeah, in choice A sounds like the word peel, peel, yeah, hampir sama. The difference is with the F and with the P, yeah, but nya sama ya in the dialogue. The different way, the word peel in choice B also sounds like the word peel. Nah, ini ada kata peel, feel, and peel. Nah, peel ini juga sama. Notice that the choice C, the correct answer, and choice D do not contain a sound like word. Ya. Jadi yang D itu nggak ada ada kata yang bunyinya sama, nggak ada ya. So basically the right answer is C. Ya, the fruit shouldn't be eaten until it is being peeled. Peeled mean dikupas ya. For example like banana, dragon fruit, and then we have star fruit. Yeah, star fruit sometimes you have to peel, or maybe like delima. Yeah, delima you have to peel the fruit also. Okay, and then here, okay, it seems arrow, excellent connection. Oh, we got excellent connection. Okay, akhirnya excellent connection. Okay, now kita move to the next part ya. So exercise 2.1 focus discriminating between sound like words in the dialogue and answer. Okay, direction. Okay, so today we have listening exercise ya. So So direction, listen to the dialogue, decide which of the two choice, A or B, best answer the question, and mark the appropriate blank. The first one is done as example. Okay. Coba kita listen dulu ya, teman-teman. Mr. Rang will play. Okay.
Comprehension, Part A, Dialogues, Exercises and Mini-Test. The directions for the exercises in this part of the book will not be read aloud on the tape. You should read the directions for each exercise and be sure that you understand them before you play the audio tape for that exercise.
There is no tape script for Exercise 1. Exercise 2.1. Number 1.
I've never had to wait so long just to pay for a few groceries.
I think you should get in another line.
What does the woman suggest the man do?
Okay, so you should get another line. So it means that the man should stand in a different line ya, harus ngantri di antrian yang lain. Okay, next one, number 2. Okay, number 2, can you hear? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, so number 2, yeah, number 2 means that you have, number 1 is that you have to wait in another line. Okay, sekarang I will play the audio number 2 ya. Let's go with number 2.
Number 2.
How does your babysitting job go?
Oh, fine. The children spent most of the day going down the hill on their new sled.
What did the children do?
Okay, so what did the children do? And the woman says, oh, it's just fine. They're just playing in the hill, yeah, on the hill, using the sled, yeah, using their sled, yeah. Berarti they are playing on the sled, yeah. They're not go down the side, no. Ya, sled itu adalah kayak papan seluncur, okay? So yang paling benar adalah the sled. Okay, caranya gimana nih? How can I give a tick? Oh, I just give a star ya, atau just give a human face. Okay. Oops. Okay, so this is the right one is here, yeah. Okay, the next one. Number 3.
Number 3. Where should I put these letters for you?
Oh, just toss them in that file.
What does the woman tell the man to do with the letters?
Okay, so remember again, the sentence that you must pay attention is the second person, yeah. So the second person you must pay attention, and the woman says, just toss them in that file, yeah, in that pile, yeah. Toss them in that file, yeah. So not pile but file, yeah. Toss them, the same meaning as throw, yeah. Tapi a document you cannot throw away like that, ya. Kalau suatu dokumen itu jangan literally, ya, secara harfiah, lempar aja, jangan. Maksudnya itu throw them in that file, itu maksudnya put them in a file, ya. Taruh saja di bagian file itu. So yang paling benar dari ini tadi adalah copy and then put them in that file, berarti yang ini ya. Put them in that file. The next one.
Number 4.
Did you get your suitcase packed?
Yeah, but now I can't close it.
What does the man mean?
Yeah, but I can't close it. What does the man mean? I cannot close it. Mr. Danang akan make so many dulu ya, so tinggal gampang naroknya. So this one says he can't shut his suitcase. His suitcase doesn't fit in the closet. No, the right one is he can't shut his suitcase. Ya, ini yang paling benar. Can you hear me now? Yeah, so he can't shut the suitcase. Yeah, that's for number 4. That's number 4. Now next we go to number 5. Let me check. Chat disconnect, please wait while we try to reconnect you. Masih ada buffering. I will send you the video. It's okay, I will send you the video. Next one.
Number 5.
What kind of bread did Annie bake? My favorite, whole wheat bread.
What is learned about Annie?
My favorite, a whole wheat bread. Basically Annie is making a bread, and the bread that the other speaker liked. So she made a bread from whole wheat. So this one already described the information. So a whole wheat bread. She made a whole wheat bread. Next one, let's go to part 6.
Number 6.
Has Brenda finished writing her story for the radio news?
Oh, sure. She's just taping it now.
What does the man say about the story?
So here what does the man says about the story? It says that Brenda is typing it. So Brenda is typing it. So it's B, not A but B. Next one.
Say about the story. Number 7.
You have Emily's address.
She has a new one. Let me see if I can find it for you.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, so it says that Emily has a new one, means a new address, ya. It's not new clothes, ya. Itu bukan dress as in clothes, but dress mean as in address, ya. So it means that Emily recently moved. Okay, so Emily recently moved, ya. Okay, the next one. Let's go. Okay. Bisa login. Successful connected. Tapi ini nggak bisa, something wrong here. Okay, so here the next, oh okay, the next one.
Number 8.
How's the coffee here, Dennis?
It's a little bitter, to tell the truth.
What does Dennis say about the coffee?
Okay, so what does it say about the coffee? Well, you have the information. It says it's a bit bitter, yeah. So it tastes it taste has improved. No, definitely not, yeah, because the A doesn't describe the word what the man says about the information, which is the information is about bitter, ya. Jadi informasi yang tentang bitternya itu yang A tidak ada, maka yang paling benar adalah yang B, ya. It tastes slightly bitter. Okay, next one we go to number 9.
Number 9.
I bought a ticket for the drawing. I hope I win.
What's the prize, Ellen?
What does the man ask Ellen?
Okay, I bought a ticket for the drawing, ya. Drawing ini maksudnya kayak undian, ya. To draw a lottery, ya. Jadi kayak di sana orang luar negeri itu sering sekali beli lottery ticket, ya. Beli itu semacam kayak judi sih, ya. Jadi mereka suka sekali membeli tiket untuk drawing numbers, ya. Jadi kayak mereka pasang nomor, ya, dan kalau nomor itu keluar mereka menang, ya. So how much the ticket cost? No. And then the man says, what do you win, Ellen? Ya. So what Ellen might win, ya. Di sini udah jelas sekali kasih information, ya, about winning, ya. So that's the information about it, yeah. Okay, so the next one here, I'll make more faces, yeah, to help us answer the next question. Okay, the next one.
Number 10.
I wonder if this old bottle I found is worth any money. It's a beautiful color.
Yes, but look, there's a chip in it.
What does the woman say about the bottle?
Okay, so the woman says, yeah, but it has a chip in it, yeah. So here istilah kata dari chip, ya, istilah kata dari chip itu bukan kayak makanan, bukan kayak makanan chips, ya. Tapi chip di sini itu adalah kayak gempil, ya. So chip is like gempil, ya. So even bottle, even though it's a beautiful bottle, but it has a chip in it. Ya, so chip means kayak gempil. Maka dari kata ini, it's being chipped atau there's a chip inside it. Nah, chip, ya, almost confusing sound word. Ya. So here we have a chip, so it means that's the right information. Yeah, it's a chip. So we have here, it's been chipped. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next part.
About the bottle. Number 11.
I saw Jerry is walking on crutches. Did he have an accident?
His feet slipped in some oil, and he twisted his knee.
What happened to Jerry?
Okay, what happened to Jerry? He tripped in the asphalt, or he slipped in some oil. Okay, coba kita ulangi lagi tadi.
Understand them before you play the audio tape for that exercise.
There is no tape script for exercise to accompany their work. And after work, the men...
How do these songs compare with the songs of Eastern choral societies? Exercises and mini-test. The directions for the exercises in this part of the book will not be read aloud on the tape.
To accompany their work. And after...
In another line.
What does the woman suggest the man do?
Listening Comprehension, Part A. Dialogues. Exercises and mini-test. The directions for the exercise. What will the people who are listening to this lecture probably do next? Listening Comprehension.
Do with the letters.
Aduh, tadi sampai berapa tadi?
Number 4.
Did you get your suitcase packed?
Yeah, but now I can't close it.
Number 7.
Do you have Emily's address?
She has a new one.
What happened to Jerry? What does the woman suggest the man do?
Okay. Aduh.
Number 2.
How does your babysitting job go?
Oh, fine. The children spent most of the day going down the hill on their new sled.
What did... Number 5.
What kind of bread did Annie bake?
My favorite, whole wheat bread.
What is learned about Annie? Number 6.
Has Brenda finished writing her story for the radio news?
Oh, sure. She's just taping it now.
What does the man say about the story? Number 7.
Do you have Emily's address?
She has a new one. Let me see if I can find it for you.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
How's the coffee here, Dennis?
It's a little bitter, to tell the truth.
What does Dennis say about the coffee? Number 9.
I bought a ticket for the drawing. I hope I win.
What's the prize, Ellen?
What does the man ask Ellen? Number 10.
I wonder if this old bottle I found is worth any money. It's a beautiful color.
Yes, but look, there's a chip in it.
What does the woman say about the bottle?
Okay, here we go.
Number 11.
Number 11.
I saw Jerry is walking on crutches. Did he have an accident?
His feet slipped in some oil, and he twisted his knee.
What happened to Jerry?
He slipped in some oil. Okay, so the right answer for this one is this one. Yeah, he slipped in some oil. Okay, the next one.
Number 12. This is a beautiful part of the state. What's it most famous for?
Well, you'll see some remarkable racehorses here.
Why is this area well known?
Okay, why this area is well known? It's well known for its fast horses. Yeah, so the man says is for races, yeah, for races tadi ada balapan. Okay, so that's what it means. Okay, I'll send it here. Poor. I know it's poor, but I don't know. Okay, the next one. Let's go. Number 13.
Number 13.
So, did the committee finally reach a decision on that issue?
Finally, after they fought about it all afternoon.
How did the committee spend the afternoon?
Okay, how does the committee spend the afternoon? Thinking about the decision, arguing about the issue. So I think it's arguing about the issue, yeah. Not thinking about the decision, but arguing about the issue.
Feet slipped in some oil, and he twisted his knee.
What happened to Jerry?
That's 11.
Number 12.
12.
This is a beautiful part of the state. What's it most famous for?
Well, you'll see some remarkable racehorses here.
Race
Why
horses.
is this area well known?
Okay, tadi ada bilang race horses, ya. Okay.
Number 13.
So, did the committee finally reach a decision on that issue?
Finally, after they fought about it all afternoon.
How did the committee spend the afternoon?
How does the committee spend the afternoon? They spend arguing about the issue. Yeah. Okay. Number 14.
Number 14.
I've never seen you in that shirt before.
I don't wear it very often. It's too tight in the collar.
What is the problem with the shirt?
Okay, what is the problem with the shirt? So it doesn't fit around the neck, yeah? So it doesn't fit around the neck. Okay, we have one for saying okay, I'll tell you that here. Okay, we have excellent. Excellent health streaming. But it doesn't. Stream setting. Coba sebentar. This is still live. Okay, but never mind. I will send you the video. Yeah. Yeah. Let's continue. Next one, number 15.
Number 15.
Are you having a midterm exam in Professor McGuire's class?
No, he assigned a paper instead.
What did Professor McGuire do?
Okay, he sent a paper instead. Yeah. So wrote his name on the paper? No, told student to write a paper. Yeah, give assignment to write on a paper. Yeah, so this is the answer. Yeah. Okay, let's continue the next one. Okay, now exercise 2.2, focus identifying sound-alike expression and in answer choices and choosing the correct answer. Direction, listen to the dialogue. Oh, okay, we still have the next one.
Exercise 2.2. Number 1.
Stephanie, did you ever phone your friend?
No, but I sent her a letter.
What did Stephanie do?
Yeah, she wrote her friend a letter.
Number 2.
I understand that Stewart is going to resign as vice president.
As a matter of fact, he's so disappointed that he wasn't elected president, he's quitting the club.
What does the man say about Stewart?
Okay, so he quit the vice president and he's kind of disappointed with the election. So I think he is unhappy because he lost the election. Yeah, because he really wants to be the president. Okay.
Number 3.
So you're going to take that class in ecology. What will you be studying?
Well, according to the course catalog, it's the systematic study of life on this planet.
What does the woman say about the class she is going to take?
Okay, it's the study of life of plants, concern the breeding of cattle. It deals with life on Earth. So the life on this planet. Yeah, so I think the closest one is that, oh sorry, the closest one is that this one, yeah, deals with life on Earth. Okay, next one.
Number 4.
Are you ready to go now, Janet?
As soon as the rain stops.
What does Janet tell the man?
The woman says, yeah, we must pay attention to the sentence of the second speaker. Until the rain stops. Yeah, so until the rain stops. They can't leave until the rain is over. More probably the right answer. Their train has stopped up. No, he shouldn't board the train until it's completely stopped. Rain and train is the same sound, yeah. So the correct one is this one, yeah. They can't leave until the rain is over. Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Number 5.
I heard Darlene was having a hard time with her physics homework.
Yes, but Sam has kindly offered to assist her.
What does the woman say about Sam?
Okay, Sam is kindly offered to assist her. Assist her. So he offered his help to Darren. He made an offer to Darren's sister. Assist. Yeah, assist, not sister. Assist. When Darren was gone, he missed her. Okay, assist, sister, and missed. So the assist means offer help. Assist means help. Ya, kata assist itu di arti kata lain adalah help. Ya. Okay, let's go to the next part. Number 6.
Number 6.
I need to get a quick bite before we go to the workshop.
There's a coffee shop here in the hotel.
What does the man suggest the woman do?
Okay, the man says there's a coffee shop near the hotel. So you can get a copy made. No, not copy made. Copy made means itu kayak photocopy. Ya. Buy some cough drop. No, eat in the coffee shop. So this one is probably the right answer. Yeah, eat in the coffee shop. There's a coffee shop nearby. Yeah, you can eat in the coffee shop nearby. Yeah. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here. Okay. So the next one.
Number 7.
How can I take notes if I don't have anything to write with?
You can probably borrow a pen from Gus. He always has one behind his ear.
What does the woman say about Gus?
Okay. What does the woman say about Gus? He didn't hear what the woman said. He can lend the man a pen. He had a pain behind his ear. No. Gus usually put extra pen on his ear. Ya, biasanya ada orang kayak pekerja bangunan itu sering taruh pulpen atau pensil di kupingnya. Nah, ini he can lend the man a pen. Ya, biasanya dia punya extra pen. Okay, next one, number 8.
Number 8. Was the flood bad in your part of town?
Bad? We practically needed boats to get home.
What does the woman imply?
Was the flood bad in your side of the neighborhood? Bad? We practically need a boat. Yeah, boat. Okay, boat. The same sound as boot, boat, and then flood. The same sound as food. Yeah, food, flood. So here we have the food in this town isn't very good. Flood, food, good. Yeah, boot, boat, boot. Okay, the same sound. Boat, food, good, boots. Yeah. She needed boots when she left home. No, the flooding in her neighborhood was severe. This one is the right one. Yeah, severe means very bad. Yeah, sangat parah. Next one, number 9.
Number 9.
Terry wasn't in class Monday, I noticed.
Well, she came down with a cough this weekend, but she's feeling better now.
What does the man say about Terry?
Okay, she's feeling better now. So she's been weakened. Oh, sorry. Let's azan first. Okay, yes, let me turn it off. Sorry about that. So, number 9, it says she has been weakened by the sickness. No. She was awakened by the coughing. No. She misses classes because of her cough. Ya. Jadi intinya tadi pembicaranya si the woman ya is miss the class because she has a cough. So she has been weakened by the sickness. No. This one is the right one. Yeah. And the next one, let's go to the next part.
Number 10.
So, Jane, what are your duties as Professor Ramsey's assistant?
For one thing, I help him correct tests.
What does Jane help Professor Ramsey do?
Very easy ya, correct test. Tadi udah dijelaskan. Correct the test atau correct the exam ya. So test, exam is the same thing ya.
Number 11. Ned's apartment is so hot this summer, I don't know how he can stand it.
It's a little better now that he got a fan.
What is learned about Ned?
Okay, what is learned about Ned? Yeah, we have here A. His apartment is more comfortable now. Yes, because he bought a fan. Yeah, and then he recently bought a new fan. That's very precise. Ya, ini sangat jelas sekali, detail banget. And then he is been feeling fine lately. No, there's no information describing about his feeling. But there is an information about his apartment is more comfortable now. Yeah. And he recently bought a new van. Oh. Wrong. Van, ya ini van itu adalah mobil, bukan fan. Tadi Mr. Dana nggak lihat itu harusnya is a V not F ya. So he recently bought a new van. Ya, I thought it was an F not V. Ya, okay. So yang paling benar adalah A ya. His apartment is more comfortable now because there is a new fan. F not V, not van. Ini van. Tapi yang benar tadi adalah he just bought a new fan. Okay. And the last one. Let's go here, the last.
Number 12.
Bonnie, you did look over the lease before you signed it, didn't you?
Well, I tried to, but not even a lawyer could understand this lease.
What does Bonnie mean?
Okay, not even a lawyer can understand the list. Yeah? Lease mean surat pembelian tanah. Ya, itu adalah lease. Okay? Jadi surat perjanjian jual beli tanah. Ya. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris a lease itu not a list of name, no, but lease. Lease itu adalah surat perjanjian jual beli tanah. So here it's definitely the right one is B. The lease is difficult to read. Yeah. Not even a lawyer can understand it. Yeah. Jadi even a lawyer can't read what it says. Okay, the next one. Okay, lesson 3, dialogue with the homonyms and words with multiple meaning. Ya, jadi dalam bahasa Inggris atau dalam TOEFL itu sering sekali soal digunakan atau menggunakan homonyms ya, synonyms ya, bunyi yang sama ya, tapi arti yang berbeda ya. The two words are homonyms if they have the same pronunciation but are spelled differently and have different meanings. The words flower and flower ya, flower, flower and flower, bear and bear ya, bear and bear are homonyms ya. Sound the same ya, but different meaning. Sound the same, different meaning, different writing ya. So flower, flower itu yang bikin adonan ya, tepung. Tapi yang satunya flower, flower, flower and flower, 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 flower. Okay. So if you perhatikan dengan detail ya, sangat hati-hati, flower, flower and flower ya. Ada flower-nya itu ya, flower itu bunga. Okay. And the next one is bear and bear. Bear and bear ya. Bear means yang satu BARE itu kayak barefoot ya. Barefoot itu kayak nggak pakai alas ya, atau bear itu berani sekali bear. Tapi yang satu BEAR itu adalah beruang ya. In some item in parts A, one or more incorrect answer choices refer to homonyms of a word that is used on the audio, as in the example below. So sample item, you will hear Eugene missed a lot of classes last week. That's because he was sick. I think he had the flu. What is learned about Eugene? Okay. So here we have A, he has been feeling weak for a long time, or because of sickness Eugene was absent. Nah, because he had the flu. Nah, the flu ini ada sickness ya. And then C, Eugene eyesight isn't very strong, so he needs glasses. No, Eugene flew to another city this week. Nah, flew and flew, hampir sama ya bunyinya, flew and flew. The dialect contains the word week ya, week, last week, meaning a 7-day period. Choice A and C refer to homonyms of that word week. Jadi he has been feeling weak ya, weak and week. Nah, week ini adalah minggu, week ini adalah lemah, which means not strong. The dialogue also contains the word flu, an illness similar to a bad cold. Nah, sedang ini choice D juga refer to the homonyms of that word. It's flew, flew, flew ya, flew, flew. But flew here in D means took a trip by a plane. Flew itu maksudnya naik pesawat atau terbang ya. The dialogue may also contains word with multiple meaning in these items. One or two of the answer choice refer to another definition of a word as it is used in the dialogue. Okay, you will hear, yeah, are you sure this is how Louise spell her last name? It doesn't look right, does it? In fact, I'm not even sure it starts with that letter. What does the man mean? So you will read, the letter to Louis was incorrectly addressed. Louis' last name may not be incorrectly spelled. Louis' name apparently on the right side of the page. And then Louis hasn't begun writing the letter yet. So the dialogue contains the word right, meanings correct. Yeah, so are you sure this is how Louis spell her last name? It doesn't look right. Right means betul. Yeah. And the word letter meanings a character in the alphabets ya. Jadi kata letter itu adalah huruf di alfabet ya. Choice A and D, pilihan A dan D, also contains the word letter. A letter, D letter. Okay. But in those choices the word has another definition. A message sent through the mail. Yang pertama, Louis hasn't begun writing the letter. Nah, writing means menulis surat. Okay. Through the mail. And then choice C also contains the word write. Louis' name appear on the right side of the page. But in that choice, it refers to a direction, the opposite side of left. Jadi yang C ini, right adalah kanan, ya. You won't be confused by this item if you understand the entire dialogue again. The context of the dialogue can help you choose the correct answer. Nah, teman-teman, jadi kalau kita dengar suatu soal listening, kita harus ngerti konteksnya dulu. Apa sih yang dimaksud? Apa sih yang dibicarakan? Ya, jadi kemarin itu udah saya bahas tentang konteks pembicaraannya. Context of the dialogue can help you choose the correct answer. But if you focus only on single words like week and flew and letter and right, in the two samples, you can easily make mistake. Ya, jadi kalau kita perhatikan kata per kata, tentu saja itu akan sangat membingungkan dan kita bisa saja memilih yang jawaban yang salah. Ya, maka kalau dalam listening, ya itu kita harus dengarkan konteks pembicaraannya dulu. Ya. Oke, we have here 3.1. Ya, kita 3.1. Coba kita lihat apa sampai 3.1 di sini.
I can't decide whether to buy one suit or two.
Just think about it for a second.
Number 6.
I'm going to paint these old wooden chairs white. They'll look good as new. Went to the meeting last night?
Yes, but I wish I hadn't. Was I ever bored?
Oh, oke. Ternyata yang ini nggak ada, ya. Kita lanjut ke berikutnya. Oke, jadi kita masuk ke dialog 6 sekarang, ya. Wait a minute, guys. Okay. So dialog 6 here, it says that dialogue involving agreement and disagreement. Jadi suatu dialog yang berhubungan dengan agreement and disagreement, ya. To answer the question about some of the dialogue in part A, it is necessary to understand if the second speaker agrees or disagree with the first speaker's idea or proposals. There are many ways to express agreement and disagreement. Ya, jadi ini biasanya orang Indonesia itu selalu tidak bisa bilang no, ya, atau membuat alasan. Terkadang apa ya, suatu custom, ya, suatu kebiasaan orang Indonesia tuh selalu harus bilang, ya nggak selalu harus bilang, maksudnya nggak bisa bilang no, ya, nggak bisa bilang maaf gitu, ya. Say okay, let me close this one first, the audionya udah nggak diperlukan lagi. Okay, and then here agreement itu kalau suatu phrase atau pernyataan yang bilang agree, itu bisa bilang so do I, ya, and I'll say, ya. Nah ini sering sekali I'll say, itu sering sekali muncul, ya. Itu maksudnya saya setuju. So do I itu teman-teman udah pasti tahu. Me too, ya. Either do I, neither do I, sorry, neither do I. And then I don't either. Yeah, I don't either. And then who wouldn't? Nah, who wouldn't? Ya. Pertanyaan dijawab dengan pertanyaan juga. Oh, who wouldn't? Siapa tidak? Siapa juga tidak? Ya. Isn't he? Isn't she? Isn't it? Isn't it though? Isn't he though? Okay. Atau didn't he? Wasn't she? Wasn't it though? Ya. And I'll second that. Nah, I'll second that juga sering sekali muncul ya. Bukan maksudnya saya detikin itu, no. I second that. Saya juga ikut. Ya. I second that itu juga sama dengan me too. Ya. And then you can say that again. You can say that again. Itu bisa lagi ya. Untuk menyatakan agreement, ya, you can say that again. It has, ya. Was it ever? It has. Was it ever? Yeah, you bet. Okay. I couldn't agree with you more. I feel the same way you do about it. Yeah. So all of these, semua phrase ini, semua kata-kata ini adalah agreement, setuju. These two expressions show agreement with a negative statement. Yeah, walaupun this one, I don't really like my schedule. I don't really like my schedule this term. I don't either. Neither do I. Nah, di sini, these two expressions show agreement with a negative statement. Ya, walaupun ini ada kata not, ya, ini sama. I don't either. Neither do I. Ini sama. Maksudnya dia setuju dengan tidak suka schedule pada semester ini. Ya, jadi semester ini ada schedule yang tidak mereka suka dan orang ini juga setuju dengan pernyataan yang pertama kali dia utarakan. Ya, contohnya seperti ini. Aku tidak begitu suka dengan schedule semester ini. Aku juga begitu. I don't either. Begitupun juga aku. Neither do I. Ya. Nah, disagreement ya tidak setuju, disagreement itu bisa diucapkan dengan I don't think so. Ya, kita bisa mengutarakan tidak setuju ya dengan kata-kata seperti ini. I don't think so. I'm afraid I don't agree. That's not what I think. Probably not. That's not the way I see it. Not necessarily. Not really. I'm afraid not. I can't say agree. I'm not sure. Sorry, I'm not so sure. I couldn't agree with you less. Yeah, I couldn't agree with you less. There are of course other expressions that shows agreement and disagreement. Some are practiced in the exercise. Okay, jadi di sini, ini ada contohnya. There are of course other expressions that shows agreement and disagreement. Some are practiced in this exercise. Yeah. For example, you will hear Howard certainly is a talented journalist. Isn't he though? Yeah. Isn't he though? What does the woman mean? Ya, jadi ini si wanita. Isn't he though? So you will read, she doesn't know if Howard is a journalist. She agrees that Howard is talented. She reads Howard's journal. She doesn't think Howard is talented. So here, for example, we can see the context of the sentence. Howard certainly is a talented journalist. And then she says, isn't he though? Bukankah begitu? Berarti she agrees that Howard is talented. Yeah, so the right answer is B. And then next one, although the woman reply seems negative in form, it actually signal agreement. Ya, walaupun tadi jawabannya adalah negatif, isn't he? Is it not he? Though, ya, tapi maksudnya itu adalah positif, ya. It actually signal agreement. Therefore, the best answer is B. Okay, the next one. You'll hear the female says, I thought Cheryl's photographs were the best at the exhibit. And then the male says, I didn't really see it that way. And then the moderator says, what does the man mean? And then you will hear, A, he thought Cheryl's photo were the best. B, he didn't look at Cheryl's photo. C, he thought other photos were better than Cheryl's. And D, he didn't go to the exhibit. So here the man responds, I didn't really see it that way. So the female said, I thought Cheryl's photograph were the best at the exhibition. Si female bilang, saya kira si Cheryl's, fotonya Cheryl's itu yang paling terbaik di pertunjukan atau di exhibit. But the man says, I didn't really see it that way. Yeah, it means that yang nggak setuju. Okay, so the man responds, I didn't really see it that way. Means that he disagree with the woman's opinion that Cheryl's photo were the best. So the best answer is therefore is C. Ya. Maksudnya kalau man-nya bilang ini I didn't really see it that way, bukan dia nggak pergi ke exhibition dan tidak melihat, tapi sebenarnya dia melihat dan beranggapan bahwa fotonya Cheryl itu tidak begitu bagus, ya. So that's the real answer. Okay. Oh, I have two. Oh my God. Okay, I have two. Yeah. Okay, next one we have positive response and negative response. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here the 7 dialogue involving suggestion, invitation, offers, and requests. Ya, sekarang dalam konteks conversation, listening conversation, itu sering sekali ada dialog yang mengutarakan involving suggestion, ya, membutuhkan suatu opini atau suggest ya, pendapat, suggest pendapat, and then invitation, ya, invitation to undangan, ya, invitation, offer atau tawaran, and request dan permintaan. A number of dialogue in part A involves a speaker making and or responding to suggestion, invitation, offer, and request. There are many ways to express these languages function. Yeah? Some are listed in the charts in this lesson, while others are practiced in the exercise. So A, suggestion. These are pieces of advice that one speaker gives another. In most dialogue, the first speaker poses a problem, and the second speaker suggests a possible solution to that problem. In some dialogue, the first speaker makes a suggestion, and the second speaker responds to that suggestion positively or negatively, making suggestion. Okay, why don't you, yeah, atau why don't we, why not, yeah, why not something, kenapa tidak kita apa, ya. Have you ever thought of, this is all making suggestion, ya, ini semua membuat saran, ya. Suggestion itu pendapat, saran, ya. Ini bisa juga diartikan juga invitation, bisa, atau offer atau request, bisa. Why don't we, ya, ini bisa kita menawarkan, atau kita, ya, invitation bisa menawarkan, ya, bisa, ya, offers juga bisa. Jadi semua kata-kata ini bisa suggestion, invitation, offers, and requests, ya. Have you ever thought of? You might want to, we might want to, you could always, we could always, maybe you could, maybe we could, atau try, ya, try bisa something. And then if I were you, nah ini ya adalah berandai-andai, seandainya saya menjadi kamu. If I were in your shoes, nah ini juga sering muncul nih pernyataan seperti ini, ya. If I were in your shoes, kalau saya dalam keadaan kamu, atau saya di keadaan kamu, ya, atau saya seandainya saya di keadaan kamu, di posisi kamu, gitu lah. And then you should, we should, ya. Shouldn't you atau shouldn't we? What about? What if you? What if we? And then how about? Ya. And then positive response and negative response. Okay, positive response, why not? Good idea. That's an idea. Sounds good to me. By all means, why don't I think of that? That's worth a try. Thanks. I'll give that a try. Okay. This means we could do this some other time. Yeah. Oh, okay. Arti ini, this means we could do this some other time. And then negative response, yeah, we say, I don't think so. I don't believe so. I already thought of that. I don't think that will work. Don't look at me. Can I take a rain check? Nah, ini adalah negatif atau ya mungkin lain kali ya. Yeah, so this mean we could do this some other time. Yeah, so this is the negative form. Itu maksudnya kita bisa melakukan ini waktu lain. Ya. Oke, ada contoh soal. So this is the last one. Ya, you will hear, I'm doing so poorly at maths. Yeah, I'm doing so poorly at maths. Okay. And then in maths, I think I'm going to have to drop it. You know, Frank, you should talk to Professor DeMarco before you do anything. He's given a special help to lots of students who were having trouble. And then moderator, what does the woman suggest Frank to do? So here you will read, study with a group of students, drop his mathematics course, discuss the problem with the professor, take no action at this time. The woman suggests that the man talk to Professor DeMarco because the professor has helped many students in the past. So the right answer is C, yeah, discuss the problem with the professor, because you should talk to the Professor DeMarco before you do anything. He has given special help to lots of students who were having trouble. Nah, ini dia ya. Ini adalah the best answer is C ya. Terkadang ya tadi pernah saya bilang, kalau jawabannya paling panjang itu paling 50% is right ya. Okay guys, I think that's all for today's lesson of our third meeting ya. And we can discuss other what you call other Windows Capture. Coba Windows Capture ada yang lain nggak? Got PowerPoint. Oh, this one. Okay, yeah, this one ya. Okay, the invitation. Oh, kita masuk nanti ke invitationnya ya. Offer. Okay, so nanti the next meeting I will discuss about invitation ya. Jadi ini yang berikutnya tentang invitation. Okay guys. I think that's all to the. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah. So next one will be invitation. Yeah. I think that's all for today. So before I end the class, kita akan menghadapi bulan suci Ramadan, ya. Dan bagi teman-teman yang mengikuti Muhammadiyah, besok itu sudah puasa. Tapi kalau bagi teman-teman yang mengikuti pemerintah, akan puasa mulai pada hari Minggu. Ya, jadi puasa Minggu dan tarawehnya Sabtu. Kalau ikut Muhammadiyah, tarawehnya ntar malam, oke? Jadi ini saya akan close this session. Semoga yang menjalankan puasa besok hari bisa mengikuti sholat taraweh malam ini. Oke, sekian dari saya, Mr. Danang Wiratnoko, and thank you for joining my TOEFL class, and we'll see in the next meeting. Okay guys.